rectangular coil. Okay, here rectangular coil, length yellow. Okay, rectangular coil having length yellow. Here breadth is B. Rectangular coil having length L nana, breadth is B. Here nana carrying a current I. Carrying a current I. Look here nana. In the rectangular coil name is P, Q, R, S, as shown in the figure. Okay, look here now. Rectangular coil having length L and breadth B carries a current I as shown in the figure. Okay now, look here now. Rectangular coil length is L, breadth is B, carrying a current I. In the situation, this is the magnetic field. This magnetic field is parallel to plane of the coil. For example, this is the rectangular coil. This is the plane. Here, this is the magnetic field. This is the rectangular coil. Length is L, breadth is B. Here, the field is parallel to plane of the coil. Look here. This is the plane of the coil. This is the field. Both are parallel. Okay, na? Here, plane of the coil parallel to magnetic field. In the situation here, current wire placed in a magnetic field. Current wire placed in a magnetic field according to law, force acting on the loop. Once again I repeat, current wire placed in a magnetic field, which will be at force acting on the PQ. Okay, force acting on the PQ. Force formula is Bill sin theta. Okay, force formula Bill sin theta. In the situation, B means B, I means I, length of the PQ is L. Here theta is angle between L and B. According to diagram, LB both are parallel. Theta value 0, sin 0, 0. Force acting on the PQ is 0. Next number. Similarly, force acting on RS. Force acting on RS. Same formula nana again. B, I, L, sin 0. Because RS, here also length and B are parallel, sin 0, 0 into anything 0. Okay. Next I discuss force acting on. Look here. Force acting on QR. Look here. Force acting on PQ 0, force acting on RS 0, Next to determine force acting on QR. What is the force formula Bangaru Kondalu? Bill sin theta. Here B okay, I okay. Here length of the QR is B. So L write as B. Here theta is angle between length and magnetic field. Here length acting y-axis, field acting x-axis, both are mutually perpendicular. So that's why sin 91. Finally we get force on QR is BIB. Okay? Look here. It gone. Very important for the IP purpose. Force acting on PS. Okay? Force formula is Bill sin theta. Look here, Nani. Bill sin theta. Look here. B means B. I means I. What is the length of the PS? This is the rectangular. So that's why length of the PS is B. Okay? Here L and B angle is theta. Here length is y-axis. B is magnetic field is x-axis. Here both are mutually perpendicular. Sin 90 value 1. Look here now. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Once again I repeat the topic. Force acting on the QR. Force is a vector. Direction of force determined by using Fleming left hand rule. First to take your left hand. First 3 fingers are placed mutually perpendicular. Here force direction. Here forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field. Current, central finger indicate current. Thumb indicate the force. Once again I repeat. Magnetic field, current, force. Here magnetic field. Current upward. Thumb indicate force. Here force acting downward. Force acting inward into the ball. Okay? Here current direction is reverse. Look here. That means downward. Thumb indicates outward. Thumb indicates the direction of force. Force direction is outward. Look here. What rule? Fleming left hand rule. According to this rule, this finger, forefinger indicate magnetic field, central finger current, thumb indicate the direction of force. According to Fleming left hand rule, here force acting inward, here force acting outward. Simply this force acting opposite direction. Look here, all of you look here. For example, this is the rectangular coin. Here force is 0. Here force is 0. Here force acting inward. Here force acting outward. Because of this force, this coil here turn. This turning effect is called as torque. Once again I repeat. This is the rectangular coil. Here force acting inward. Here force acting outward. Because of applying force, this coil have turn. This coil have turn. This turning effect of the force is called as torque. Simply on the coil which will be at torque. Here look here. Simply what is the torque definition? Torque definition is one of the force. Once again I repeat, torque definition is one of the force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Correct. Torque definition is one of the force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Look here. One of the force ఎంతనా BIB. ఓకే, ఏదో ఒక ఫోర్స్ తీసుకోండి. BIB ఇంటూ ఈ ఫోర్స్కి ఈ ఫోర్స్కి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది? L. లుక్ హియర్. Neatly write as BI. Length into breadth is called area. Simply, what is the formula for torque? Acting on the rectangular coil, the coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Torque formula is BIA. For example, coil have n turns. For example, coil have n turns. Torque formula is BIAN. For example, coil have n turns. Torque formula is BIAN. Okay, that is the formula for torque acting on the rectangular coil. The rectangular coil is placed in uniform magnetic field. Once again, BIAN. This is the formula for torque. When this formula is applicable, here, look here. Plane of the coil, this is, and magnetic field, both are parallel. In the situation, torque formula is BIAN. For example, a very important topic, case 1. In the situation, this is the plane of coil, this is the field, magnetic field. In the situation, both are makes an angle theta. Okay, here B, we know that resolution of vectors, the angle says this is B cos theta. Simply, the component of magnetic field is parallel to plane of the coil is B cos theta. Simply, here B in the place, here B cos theta. So that's why a torque new formula is here B replaced by B cos theta. B cos theta IAN. Simply, neatly write as tau equal to BIAN cos theta. This is the formula for torque when here plane of the coil makes an angle theta with the magnetic field direction. What is the formula for torque? BIAN cos theta. Next one, case 2.